Chop. Chop, honey. Oh, sumali. Dance. Baka. It's just the three boys tonight. We're hanging out by the fire. Ruben's playing us some tunes. Mommy went out to play volleyball. And we stayed home. We just had some potatoes. And we had some potatoes and salami. And we had some cheese. And we're sitting by the fire. And we're gonna take a bath soon. And that's about what's going on here. It is. We're having a good time. Tomorrow's Super Bowl Sunday. Very excited. Go Steelers! Go Steelers! Go Steelers! Yay! Bravo! Oh, Ruben! Smile! Smile! Oh, that's a better side. That's the better side. He's playing some good tunes. Playing some good tunes now, aren't we? Yes. And I rolled over today. He rolled over the first time yesterday. And he rolled over today a couple times. Bobby didn't see it, but Mommy saw it. I think Mommy's just fibbing. I think Mommy's telling a fib. I don't think he really did it. He would only do that for Papa. Huh. Only do that for Papa. Okay, we're gonna get going now. Have a good day. We love everybody.